Getting a website up and running in just 10 minutes may be challenging, but you can certainly get started on the process within that time frame. Here's a simplified and easy guide to help you get a website quickly. Step 1. Choose a website builder or platform to create a website quickly. You can use a website builder or content management system, CMS, that offers pre-designed templates and a user-friendly interface. Here are two popular options. 1. Wordpress.com. Wordpress.com offers a simplified version of the WordPress platform with easy setup and hosting included. 2. Wix. Wix is a popular website builder that provides a drag-and-drop interface and pre-designed templates. For the sake of simplicity, let's use WordPress.com for this guide. Step 2. Sign up for an account. 1. Visit the WordPress.com website. 2. Click on Get Started or Create Website to begin the sign-up process. 3. Provide your email address, a username, and a password to create your account. 4. Follow the prompts to set up your basic account information. Step 3. Choose a website name and address. 1. After signing up, you'll be prompted to choose a website name. 1. Enter a name that represents your website or business. 2. Next, choose a website address, URL, for your site. 2. WordPress.com will provide you with a domain name that includes WordPress.com by default, or you can choose a custom domain if you have one. Step 4. Select a website theme. 1. Once you've set up your account, you'll be prompted to choose a website theme. 2. Browse through the available themes and select one that fits your style and purpose. 3. Don't worry too much about the theme selection at this point because you can easily change it later. Step 5. Customize your website. 1. After selecting a theme, you'll be taken to the WordPress.com editor. 2. Customize your website by adding your own content, such as text, images, and videos. 3. Modify the design elements, colors, and fonts according to your preferences. 4. WordPress.com offers a user-friendly interface that allows you to make changes easily. Step 6. Preview and publish your website. 1. Once you're satisfied with the customization, click on the preview button to see how your website looks. 2. Review your website carefully to ensure everything is in order. 3. If you're happy with the preview, click on the publish button to make your website live on the internet. Remember, the 10-minute time frame mainly focuses on getting started with your website. To fully develop and refine your website, you'll need more time. However, by following these steps, you can quickly set up a basic website and continue working on it to make it more robust and personalized.